Are you still annoyed with how to realize and product design into reality? Fitmold can help you solve it. We have efficient and cost-saving production solution. Welcome to send your drawings to our mail address sales@fitmold.com. Quick response happens within 24 hours after mail received. After project confirmed, mold design with 2D and 3D model would be started first for your approval. We have professional mold designers serve for you and answer any question you have. Once mold design approved, we will start with mold manufacturing. Our project coordinator will regularly and timely update mold progress for you with photos or videos. Trial shooting would be processed after mold manufacturing. Free trial samples could be shipped to you. After mold manufacturing, it would be well packed and shipped out. Fitmold is your one-stop shop for manufacturing on demand. Try us today.